Welcome to new video on the 10 best AI tools that can help you earn money online easily. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized various industries, and these tools provide incredible opportunities for individuals and businesses alike. In this video, we will explore each tool, discussing how it works and how you can leverage it to generate income. ChatGPT. OpenAI GPT-3 is a powerful language model that can perform a wide range of natural language processing tasks. By utilizing GPT-3, you can develop chatbots, content generators, language translators, and more. Earn money by offering AI-powered writing services, creating conversational agents, or building innovative language-based applications. The link of that tool is given in description. You can explore that tool and earn online from that tool. IBM Watson. IBM Watson is a comprehensive AI platform that enables users to develop and deploy AI solutions across various domains. It offers a wide array of services such as natural language understanding, image recognition, and predictive analytics. Monetize your expertise by building AI-powered applications, providing consulting services, or developing industry-specific solutions using Watson. The link of that tool is given in description. You can explore that tool and earn online from that tool. Google Cloud AI. Google Cloud AI provides a suite of AI tools and services for developers and businesses. It includes pre-trained models, machine learning APIs, and infrastructure for building and deploying AI applications. You can earn money by developing AI-powered products, offering AI consulting, or utilizing Google's AI services to enhance existing applications. The link of that tool is given in description. You can explore that tool and earn online from that tool. Microsoft Azure AI. Microsoft Azure AI is a comprehensive platform that offers a range of AI tools and services. It provides pre-built AI models, APIs, and infrastructure for developing AI applications. Monetize your AI expertise by creating intelligent chatbots, developing personalized recommendation systems, or offering AI consulting services using Azure AI. The link of that tool is given in description. You can explore that tool and earn online from that tool. Amazon AI Services. Amazon AI Services is a collection of AI tools and services provided by Amazon Web Services, AWS. It offers powerful AI capabilities, including image and video analysis, speech recognition, and language processing. You can earn money by building AI-powered applications, offering AI consulting services, or utilizing Amazon AI services to enhance existing systems. The link of that tool is given in description. You can explore that tool and earn online from that tool. Salesforce Einstein AI. Salesforce Einstein is an AI-powered platform that integrates with Salesforce's Customer Relationship Management (CRM) system. It enables businesses to leverage AI for sales forecasting, customer segmentation, and personalized marketing. Earn money by developing AI-driven Salesforce applications, providing Einstein consulting services, or building AI-powered marketing solutions. The link of that tool is given in description. You can explore that tool and earn online from that tool. TensorFlow AI. TensorFlow is an open-source machine learning framework developed by Google. It allows you to build and train machine learning models for various tasks, including image recognition, natural language processing, and time series analysis. Monetize your TensorFlow skills by developing and selling custom machine learning models, offering TensorFlow consulting, or creating AI applications. The link of that tool is given in description. You can explore that tool and earn online from that tool. H2O.ai. H2O.ai is an open-source platform that provides tools for machine learning and predictive analytics. It offers automated machine learning capabilities, allowing users to build models without extensive coding knowledge. Earn money by developing predictive models for businesses, offering machine learning consulting services, or creating custom AI solutions using H2O.ai. The link of that tool is given in description. You can explore that tool and earn online from that tool. DataRobot. DataRobot is an AI platform that automates the end-to-end process of building and deploying machine learning models. It utilizes automated machine learning techniques to help users create accurate predictive models efficiently. Monetize your expertise by building and selling custom models, offering DataRobot consulting services, or developing AI-driven solutions using the platform. The link of that tool is given in description. You can explore that tool and earn online from that tool. RapidMiner. RapidMiner is a data science platform that provides a visual interface for building and deploying machine learning models. It offers a wide range of data preparation, modeling, and evaluation tools. Earn money by offering data science consulting services, building custom models using RapidMiner, or developing AI applications with its visual interface. The link of that tool is given in description. You can explore that tool and earn online from that tool. Conclusion. These 10 AI tools provide incredible opportunities for earning money online. Whether you choose to develop AI applications, offer consulting services, or create custom machine learning models, leveraging these tools can help you tap into the potential of artificial intelligence and generate income in the rapidly growing AI industry. Remember to stay updated, explore new trends, and continuously enhance your skills to stay ahead in this dynamic field. Thanks for watching.